Hello friends, I am Dr. Anjum Rashid. In this video, I will talk about the calories and nutritional facts of fats, oils, sugar and chocolate. Coconut oil contains healthy fatty acid. It is high in saturated fat. It is good for heart health and may encourage fat burning. It may have antimicrobial effect. It reduces hunger and also reduces seizures. It raises high density lipoprotein, which is good cholesterol. It protects your skin, hair and teeth. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, about 14 gram, contain 117 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 12 gram. It does not contain cholesterol, but phytosterol is 12 milligram. Sunflower oil promotes heart health. It contains phytochemicals such as choline and folic acid. These are beneficial for heart. It provides energy and decreases serum cholesterol level. It strengthens immune system and improves digestion and repair body. 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, which is 14 gram, contains 120 calories. In this, fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 1 gram, polyunsaturated is 9 gram, and monounsaturated fat is 3 gram. It does not contain cholesterol. Soybean oil has high smoke point. It is rich in heart-healthy fats. It supports bone health and contains omega-3 fatty acid. It promotes skin health. It is versatile and easy to use. Soybean oil 1 tablespoon 14 gram contains 120 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 2, polyunsaturated is 8 and monounsaturated fat is 3 gram. It also contains vitamin E 2 mg and phytosterol 34 mg. It does not contain cholesterol. Safflower oil is a helpful source of fatty acid. It improves blood sugar level and lower cholesterol level. It boosts heart health. It also fights inflammation and soothes dry skin. It is safe for cooking at high temperature. It contains linoleic acid over 70%. 1 tablespoon, about 14 gram, contains 119 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 1 gram, polyunsaturated is 10 gram, and monounsaturated is 2 gram. It contains vitamin E 6 mg and phytosterol 60 mg. Palm oil decreases cholesterol level in the blood. It decreases oxidative stress and also boosts brain health. It slows the progression of heart disease and increases vitamin A status. It also improves skin and hair health. 1 tablespoon of palm oil, which is 14 gram, contains 120 calories. It contains 14 gram of fat, in which saturated fat is 7 gram, polyunsaturated is 1 gram and monounsaturated is 5 gram. Vitamin E is 3 mg and it does not contain phytosterol or cholesterol. 1 tablespoon of cottonseed oil, which is about 14 gram, contains 120 calories. Saturated fat is 4, polyunsaturated is 7 and monounsaturated is 2 gram. Now it contains phytosterol 44 mg and vitamin E is 5 mg. 1 tablespoon of corn oil contains 120 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 2, polyunsaturated is 8 and monounsaturated is 3 gram. It does not contain cholesterol. However, phytosterol is 132 mg. Vitamin E is 3 mg. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fatty acid. It contains large amount of antioxidant. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It protects from strokes and has protective effect against heart diseases. It is not associated with weight gain or obesity. Now 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which is about 14 gram, contains 119 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 2, polyunsaturated is 1 and monounsaturated is 10 gram. It contains 2 mg of vitamin E and 30 mg of phytosterol. Canola oil contains both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. It is the healthiest cooking oil and has 7% saturated fat, which help cut cholesterol levels. It is rich in vitamin K and vitamin E. It decreases skin problems and aging signs like acne, fine lines, wrinkles and spots. Now 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 14 gram, contains 124 calories. Fat is 14 gram, in which saturated fat is 1, polyunsaturated fat is 4 and monounsaturated fat is 8 gram. It does not contain cholesterol or phytosterol and vitamin E is about 3 mg. Now 100 gram of ghee contains 876 calories. Fat is about 99 gram, in which saturated fat is 62 gram. Cholesterol is 256 milligram and protein is about 0.3 gram. Now 100 gram of desi ghee contain 900 calories. Fat is about 100 gram, in which saturated fat is 60 gram. Cholesterol content is 250 milligram and it doesn't contain any protein. White granulated sugar, about 1 teaspoon, which is 4.2 gram, contain about 16 to 20 calories, and in this carbohydrates are 4.2 gram. 1 cup of icing sugar, which is about 120 gram, contain 467 calories, in which carbohydrate are 120 gram. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, which is 3 gram, contain 11 calories and 2.9 gram of carbohydrate. Honey is a thick sweet liquid which is made by honeybees. It is delicious, but still it is high in calories and sugar. It may lead to modest reduction in blood pressure and has positive effect on cholesterol levels, with modest reduction in total and low density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, while it can raise the good high density lipoprotein cholesterol in the blood. It also decreases triglyceride level. It has antioxidant properties with beneficial effect on heart. It also increases the blood flow to the heart and decreases risk of blood clot formation. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It is also a natural and safe cough suppressant, especially for children more than 1 year. But still it is high in calories and sugar. Now 1 tablespoon of honey, which is about 21 gram, contains 64 calories and 17 gram of carbohydrate, and protein is about 0.1 gram. Chocolate is very nutritious and a powerful source of antioxidant. It is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, copper and manganese. Flavonols present in dark chocolate stimulate endothelium to produce nitric oxide, which in turn improve the blood flow and reduces the blood pressure. Chocolate also reduces high density lipoprotein and protect low density lipoprotein from oxidation. It also improves insulin sensitivity. It reduces heart disease risk and protect the skin from sun damage. It could also improve brain function by increasing the blood flow. It also contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine. Now 1 piece of chocolate, which is about 7 gram, contains 37 calories. Fat is about 2.1 gram, carbohydrate is 4.2 and protein is 0.5 gram. Cholesterol is 1.6 gram. 1 bar milk chocolate, which is about 44 gram, contains 235 calories. It contains 13 gram of fat, 26 gram of carbohydrate, 3.4 gram of protein, 10 milligram of cholesterol, 83 milligram calcium, 164 milligram potassium, and caffeine is about 8.8 milligram. Chocolate chips 0.3 cup, about 50.4 gram, contain 242 calories, 15.6 gram fat, carbohydrate 32.4 gram, 2.2 gram of proteins, calcium 16 milligram and iron 2 milligram. It also contains potassium and caffeine is about 31.2 milligram. Now 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, which is about 5 gram, contains 21 calories, 0.5 gram of fat, 3 gram of carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein. It also contains significant amount of iron. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.